42nd question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 2B. This is a harder set of math questions. We've got 23 integers, and this first interval right here is greater than or equal to 10, but less than 20. So it could be 10 to 19. So the next one could be 20 to 29, and so forth. And we're looking at the smallest possible difference between the means. If we just took this first bar, we would want to make all the values in data set be as big as possible. So that would be 3 19s. The average of 3 19s, of course, is going to be 19. If we took the first bar here, the average of those three is going to be, we want to make those as small as possible. So it would be 20 plus 20 plus 20 over 3, which would be 20. And we'd see the difference between the average means there is 1. And if we did that for all 23, we would find that the average difference is 1. To see the full-length video, check us out on YouTube. Go to IB Masters Learning Center, the playlist. Once you hit the playlist, look for the longer videos that are just above these shorter videos. And click subscribe and check out this other video on means. Have a great day.